The BMW X3 key fob for models 2011 through 2024 lets you remotely lock, unlock, and open the trunk. Start by removing the key blade. Press the release button on the side to unfold the blade. Locate the small Phillips screw at the base of the blade and unscrew it. Then pull the blade straight out. Next, locate the thin seam along the fob's edge where the buttons are. Insert a plastic pry tool or flathead screwdriver into this seam. Apply even pressure to gently separate the two halves. Work around the perimeter, listening for a pop as the clips release. Avoid excessive force to prevent cracking the case. The tools required are a flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool and a small Phillips screwdriver. Remember to avoid static electricity by touching a metal surface before you begin. Once the fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Note its orientation with the positive side up before removing it. Use a small tool or your fingernail to gently pop the old battery out. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up, matching the markings inside the fob. Reassemble the fob by firmly snapping the two halves back together. Ensure all clips are secured. Replace the key blade by sliding it back into its slot and securing it with the Phillips head screw. After replacing the battery, the fob may need to be resynced with your X3. Press the unlock button multiple times while cycling the ignition. If the fob has a rubber seal, check its condition and replace it if damaged to maintain water resistance. If you encounter issues or are uncomfortable with the process, consider professional service to avoid damaging the fob.